Hello, if you're looking for a really good strategy that gives signals based on price action and works on all financial markets like crypto, stocks and Forex, be sure to watch this video till the end. Okay, this strategy contains 3 indicators. Let's get right to applying the first one to our charts. So open the Indicators tab and type trend lines with breaks in the search bar. Now add this indicator that you see here, trend lines with breaks made by Lifecycle, to your charts. This indicator signals are based on trend lines breakouts. Anytime a trend line breaks, this indicator gives us a signal. As you can see, all of the signals are based on the trend of the market. Here we were experiencing an upward momentum, and whenever this ascending momentum has been confirmed to have a breakout, a signal has been shown to us. For instance, here, this descending trend has been broken and a signal has been given to us, which is a buy signal. We could have entered a trade using the signal. We could adjust this indicator settings to be able to trade with a different method, which is possible by using the supporting floors or resistance ceiling breakouts. For example, we got a resistance ceiling here that with its breakout, we would be able to open a buy trade. Open the indicator settings and the inputs tab, leave the length option on 14 and change the slope option from 1 to 3. And make sure to enable the show only confirmed breakouts option. Now our indicator is ready and we can close the tab. Things went exactly as I explained earlier. There were resisting ceiling here, and with its breakout we'd have gotten a signal. We could have gained 2.7% profit from this trade. Here is another example. There was another valid resisting ceiling here, which had a breakout in this area that resulted in a valid buy signal. We could have gained 4.7% profit from this trade alone. Now let's check out the Pound USD chart with the 1 hour time frame to see how accurate the signals are going to be in the Forex markets. As you saw, only one of the signals turned out to be fake, but I want to add another indicator so we wouldn't get even this fake signal. In order to do that, in the Indicators tab, search SSL Hybrid and add this indicator to your charts. This is how SSL Hybrid looks like, and it's too messy, so we have to change some things up. Open the SSL Hybrid settings and in the Style tab, disable all the options as I do. Next, in the Inputs tab, set the SSL1 baseline type option to EMA and then change the SSL1 or baseline length option to 100. That's all. You can close the settings now. SSL Hybrid indicator specifies the momentum more clearly and helps us to enter the trades considering the trend of the market. For instance, the momentum is descending here because in downward trends, SSL Hybrid turns red and the price is under the SSS line, so we can enter only short trades during this trend. Here, SSL Hybrid is blue and the price is above the SSL Hybrid line, so the momentum is ascending and we should enter only long trades. Here, the SSL Hybrid is blue and the price is clearly above the moving average line of the SSL Hybrid, and the breakout signal that has been given is surely valid, and we could use it to enter the trade. Or in this example, SSL Hybrid is red and the price is under its line, so the trend is descending, and we could have entered the trade at this breakout signal because it is in the same direction as the market's trend and it is valid. Next, some more examples in the cool chart with a 5-minute time frame. If you want to know where to put your take profits, continue watching the video because we're going to add the third indicator. So open the Indicators tab and type MACD in the search bar and add Moving Average Convergence Divergence to your charts. This is how MACD indicator looks. We need to change some of its settings. In order to do that, click on the gear icon. Then in the Inputs tab, change the fast length option from 12 to 25. Next, change the slow length option from 26 to 100. In the Style section, disable the MACD and Signal line options. That's it. Now we can click on OK. We use MACD indicator for two reasons. First, for confirming the entry signals, and secondly, to designate our take profits. Here we got descending breakouts that has been confirmed by SSL Hybrid. But in order to get a confirmation from MACD, I draw a vertical line on the trigger candlestick and then come down to MACD's histogram. Our sell signal is valid only if the MACD's histogram is under 0. So this sell signal here is in fact confirmed. And for long signals, it is the exact opposite. This long signal here has been confirmed by SSL Hybrid, but to get a validation from MACD, we need to analyze its histogram. The buy signal is valid if the MACD's histogram is above the 0 line. So this buy signal here is also valid, and we could use it to enter a trade. Let's check out the sell signal we had before and see where should we set our stop loss and TP to. As you can see, we got a valid sell signal here. So open a trading position at the closing of the trigger candlestick. I can set my stop loss to above the last swing high. And for figuring out our TP prices, we can use MACD indicator. The longest bar of the MACD's histogram should be our TP. In this example, the longest bar of histogram is here. I draw a vertical line at its position. I go back to the main graph. In this graph here and this candlestick is my first TP. So this is our first TP, and we could take out some profit at this position. And for the second TP, as long as the price is under the SSL Hybrid and its line is red, we could use the histograms of MACD to distinguish our TPs, but under one condition, that is our previous TPs being surpassed. This is the first TP's line, and here the signal gets passed and the price is under the SSL Hybrid. So this longest histogram bar here can be our second TP, which I'll mark it with a vertical line here. Here we got a valid buy signal, and we want to designate the stop loss and TPs for this as well. I entered the trade at this candlestick's closing. I can set the stop loss to below the last swing low here. And for the TPs, I use the positive histogram bars of MACD. So my TP should be where the highest bar of MACD is. I'll mark the histogram bar with a vertical line. And on the main graph here should be my first TP. As long as the price is above the SSS line and the SSS Hybrid is blue, I can use the MACD to find my next TPs as well. Let's see some more examples in the 1 minute time frame. If you want to know about one of the best strategies shown in this channel for Forex, crypto and stocks trading, make sure to watch this next video. Take care and goodbye.